Bitcoin and crypto edges lower to start the week as November rally cools. Yes guys, if you look at the price action of Bitcoin right now, it does look like the price of Bitcoin might be exhausted after this rally which we had for this month of November. And now the question here is, will the price of Bitcoin show some temporary retracement, or will the price get attracted towards this most important line of support which you have in between 33,000 before deciding the trend duration? Because if you look at the price action of Bitcoin in a daily time frame using this bearish divergence, things are looking very serious right now. I mean, in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend following this ascending channel, at the same time whenever we witnessed a bearish divergence in RSI, that resulted in a corrective move. Yes guys, if you look at this here from past price action, when the price of Bitcoin was following this ascending channel but the RSI was flashing as a bearish divergence, what happened after that? The price of Bitcoin, after losing the support from this lower trend line from the ascending channel, got attracted here to the downside. Each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend, or whenever the price of Bitcoin was following this ascending channel, when we were flashed with this bearish divergence in RSI, what happened after that? The price of Bitcoin showed corrective move. And right now, if we look in our case, you know guys, this is another bearish divergence, and I have been showing this chart since a couple of days. So if this exact scenario is going to play out, then according to this rising channel, according to this bearish divergence, what are we expecting the price of Bitcoin to do? We are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted in between 30,000, 33,000. That would be our worst case target for now, before starting with another impulsive movement. Because we know parallelly the price is still facing resistance from this monthly R1 line. I mean, this monthly resistance line was placed on the 1st of November. I mean, this leading indicator already gave us information that for this month of November, this trend line around 37,800, 37,900 is definitely going to be acting as a line of resistance. This is exactly where we got attracted. We tried plenty of time to break out of it, but we failed. So failing to break out of this monthly R1 line could result in a corrective move where we could be getting attracted in between this CPI line, either the top, center, or the bottom CPI line, before choosing the trend duration. Because we know the price right now, if it does get attracted here to the downside, even break the support from this ascending triangle. Yes, this ascending triangle, upper trend line acted as a line of resistance, lower trend line acted as a line of support. So right now, if we do see another weakness in price action of Bitcoin, where are we expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted towards this lower trend line? And if we fail to hold the trend line, right, only after that we know, hey, the price of Bitcoin could actually get attracted towards this CPI line. The top CPI line sits around 33,400, 33,500 range before finding bottom, before starting with a new impulsive movement like this. Yes guys, even if the price in the medium short term shows weakness, gets attracted to the downside first, nothing is going to change in bigger picture. I mean, in bigger picture, if we do see another continuation, price coming back to test the support from this lower trend line but failing to hold it, right, and show another corrective move like this, let it be, because that will be looked as a temporary pullback, because we know this is a VCPR. Price before closing the month gets attracted towards the CPI line, and only after that chooses a trend duration. So in our case, if this bearish scenario, this ascending broadening wedge scenario is going to play out, this ascending triangle, a bullish continuation, but in our case losing the support could result in a bearish continuation, is going to play out, or even this scenario is going to fail to hold the price at this current stage, nothing is going to change in a bigger picture. Let me be very clear about this. Yes guys, in the medium short term that might result in retracement, but in bull market, retracement like 10%, 15%, even 20% is very common. To liquidate the over leverage longs, please listen carefully guys, because right now things might look bearish, price might show weakness, price might get attracted towards this key line here to the downside, but the overall picture still looks very good. I mean, even after this weakness, even after price failing to find support at this upper trend line, even failing to hold the support from this lower trend line, does not change the overall picture, because the overall picture for Bitcoin still looks bullish. And now, even if this here is going to play out, I mean the parabolic curve pattern type of formation, you can see this is our base 1, base 2, base 3, and what follows after base 3? Another massive move to form base 4, and then only we are going to head towards this sell point. But until then, you can see we do have plenty of room to grow here to the upside. So that's why, guys, I have been shouting on top of my lungs, even if the price in the medium short term is going to show weakness, it is going to be just a temporary weakness before we see another continuation here to the upside. Because if you follow this ascending channel, you can see the upper trend line acted as a line of resistance, lower trend line acted as a line of support. So in our case, if the price of Bitcoin does get attracted to the downside to test the support from the CPI line, right? In that case, we will be finding support at this ascending channel upper trend line. Yes, guys, this same line which previously acted as a line of resistance will be acting as a line of support in our case, and we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after that to show another continuation here to the upside. And now, even if we look in a very simple way, I mean, according to this inverted valley, 3 valley and a river pattern, the price objective is still open, which is over 40,000. So right now, if we do see another continuation price failing to find support at this lower trend line, even getting attracted towards this 30,000 range, please do not panic, because we are expecting the price of Bitcoin, right, after this to continue our rally. Price objective from this inverted 3 valley and a river pattern before choosing an actual trend direction. And if this does plays out, right, price after some weakness showing another continuation here to the upside, then our final price objective for this cycle will play out perfectly. I mean, in the past price action, we have found out price after these 364 days of downtrend in 2017, 2018 showed a rally of around 0.5, 0.618, right? More than 50% before showing corrective move. Here, we also had 364 days of downtrend from 2001, 2022. Now, if we do show another move like this, right? Uptrend, at least in between 0.5, 0.61 Fibonacci line, then you can see even that will point us the price is going to be over 40,000, and only after that it is going to choose actual trend direction. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that even if the price in the medium short term does get exhausted, does follows this bearish continuation pattern first, please do not panic, because in a bigger picture, things are still favoring the longs or still looks bullish. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy the like button, and let's try to reach 1,000 likes in this video. And also, before I conclude this video, I just want to overview you that Bybit is giving around 30,000 deposit bonus to our community members who sign up using this link. Yes, guys, if you want to claim this free bonus, 30,000 bonus from Bybit, 6,000 deposit bonus from Phemex, or even 50,000 in rewards from OKX, all the links are provided in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. So by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.